karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox and install our smart desk. So guys, when you open the box, this is the first thing you see. You can see the 4 speakers which come inbuilt with this table. Plus you can see the other small parts which we require to assemble this table. So guys, now they are going to assemble it, and hopefully everything will be ready in another 10 minutes. So guys, now the table is ready and it needs 2 people to get it out of the box, and here it is. So guys, here you can see the table is installed and we have already connected that power to it, and this is how it looks. So guys, it has toughened glass top, okay, and it comes with one drawer like this, and in drawer you have 2 separate compartments, and on the side of the table you can see the 2 USB ports and an aux input port. Okay, so you can use the table speaker to play the aux sound also, right? And guys, on the top here you can see some touch control. So this table, it comes with Bluetooth connectivity, and you can change the different sources by pressing USB. So this is the volume, this is line in for aux, and again Bluetooth. And guys, this table also comes with fast wireless charging, so you can keep your mobile on it and you can charge it. Now guys, we will see the wireless charging. So here is my phone, so I'm going to keep it on the wireless charging station. So let us see. So it is showing 75% battery and 43 minutes to full charge, if you can see it, otherwise I'll zoom it. Here you can see it's written here. So now after wireless charging, now see this Bluetooth is blinking. I'll connect my phone with the Bluetooth and we will listen to the quality of the sound. So guys, on my phone I'll turn on the Bluetooth. So we will go to Bluetooth, and here see it is showing the option of smart audio. Okay, so if you can see it, so I will select smart audio, connected and connected. Okay, so now my phone is connected to this table. Now let us play something from the YouTube to listen to it. So, okay, so music, no copyright, and here I can increase the Bluetooth volume up and down, and while music is playing we can charge the phone. And guys, these controls, they are touch sensitive controls, so I can start the music, I can stop the music, I can increase the volume up or down. So again we'll increase the volume. So guys, it produces very decent quality audio, okay, as compared to any speaker in that table. So this is one of the best music quality you can get. So guys, that's all for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and technical reviews and all kind of stuff. And all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.